Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Lasmi Limbona dengan NIM P0717232023 dari tingkat 2A Prodi Teknologi Laboratorium Medik. Tanggapan saya tentang video teknologi informasi laboratorium yang saya ambil. Berikut saya tampilkan videonya.
What is the difference between an LIS and a LIMS? Laboratory Information System, LIS, and Laboratory Information Management System, LIMS, are terms that are sometimes used interchangeably, and while the two overlap, they are designed to support different laboratory type and functionality. LIS is traditionally used to refer to systems that support healthcare clinical settings and patient-specific specimens. LIMS were historically designed to support sample-centric laboratory requirements, such as those of clinical research or other non-clinical laboratory settings. Today, the functionality of the two systems overlaps greatly, and there are many features in both the LIS and LIMS that complement the traditional functionality of each other. The LIS records, manages, and stores patient testing data for clinical and pathology laboratories, including receiving test orders, sending orders to laboratory analyzers, and returning results to electronic health record, or EHRs. An LIS is implemented in hospital, clinical, public health, veterinary, or toxicology laboratories. The LIS can include decision support rules that guide workflow, outreach tools, data mining capabilities, and point-of-care testing support. The LIMS was originally developed for use in environmental research or commercial analysis. In a LIMS workflow, samples and customer data are accessioned in the laboratory and barcoded. Then the LIMS tracks chain of custody, sample location, and other relevant sample information. The LIMS tracks a large volume of specimens and helps users manage test results, calculations, quality control, equipment utilized, and inventory. The biggest difference is that an LIS was developed to take care of individual patient records, whereas a LIMS was designed for batch testing, often in cases where individual patient identities are unimportant. Both LISs and LIMS support data tracking, instrument interfaces, and workflow efficiency. An LIS and a LIMS can help laboratory managers set up calibration date reminders and maintenance schedules for analyzers or instruments to support testing accuracy. After determining if your facility is patient-centric or sample-centric, consider that many features in both an LIS and LIMS accompany the traditional functionality of the other. In today's healthcare arena, laboratories require a dedicated LIS and committed vendor support to manage the complexities and regulatory nature of lab testing. A flexible LIS can help improve laboratory workflow efficiency, reduce errors by aiding in decision-making, and automate proper billing to ensure top reimbursement. Learn more at orchardsoft.com.
Jadi tanggapan saya dari video tersebut yaitu penjelasan dari video tersebut sangat baik dan sangat jelas karena selain menjelaskan tentang apa itu teknologi informasi laboratorium, di dalam video tersebut juga menjelaskan tentang sistem manajemen informasi laboratorium medik serta perbedaan antara sistem informasi laboratorium dan manajemen informasi laboratorium. Jadi kesimpulan dari video tersebut adalah sistem informasi laboratorium dan sistem manajemen informasi laboratorium adalah istilah yang terkadang digunakan secara bergantian dan meskipun keduanya tumpang tindih, keduanya dirancang untuk mendukung berbagai jenis laboratorium dan fungsinya. Sistem informasi laboratorium secara tradisional digunakan untuk merujuk pada pasien yang mendukung pengaturan klinis, perawatan kesehatan, dan spesimen khusus pasien, menyimpan dan mengelola data pasien yang terkait dengan proses dan pengujian laboratorium. Selain informasi laboratorium, Selain itu, sistem informasi laboratorium juga dapat melacak, menyimpan, dan memperbaharui detail klinis tentang pasien. Manajemen sistem informasi secara histori dirancang untuk mendukung persyaratan laboratorium yang terpusat pada sampel, pada penelitian klinis, atau pengaturan laboratorium non-klinis lainnya. Saat ini, fungsionalitas kedua sistem tersebut sangat tumpang tindih dan dapat banyak fitur di sistem informasi laboratorium dan manajemen sistem informasi. Sekian tanggapan dari saya, lebih dan kurangnya saya mohon maaf. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.